Please note down. First, you all note down this numerical problem.
Okay, sir. So I will note down this.
Okay. Then we are going to find out median. Okay. Up to class 10, you have learned a method. I am just doing it. Whatever you have learned earlier. You used to make a column to the right, cumulative frequency, and you used to write this. Isn't that right? You used to solve like this for median.
Yes, sir.
But this is a wrong method. Mathematically, it is a wrong method. Okay, because cumulative frequency associated to a class doesn't exist. And there are two types of cumulative frequency. You all have written this now. I am rubbing this portion, or I am writing this side. There are two types of cumulative frequency. One is called less than type, another is called more than type. Now, with more than type cumulative frequency distribution, you cannot solve median. In order to solve median, you need to find out less than type cumulative frequency. And cumulative, what is less than type? Over here, if you just go through this one, here you have to raise question like, how many students scored less than 0? Say this is marks and this one is number of students. I repeat, this is marks, this is number of students. Now, first you have to ask, how many students scored less than 0? How many students scored less than 0? Any one of you answer?
Zero.
Zero, because no one can score below 0. No one can score in negative. So that is what you have to write over here. Over here, what you have to write, I am rewriting it. Wait. Now, this old method you are not supposed to follow. If you follow, you will not get marks henceforward. Now you have to ask this question. How many have scored less than 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? You have to make this new column. And then you have to write cumulative frequency. How many students, you all tell me, how many students scored less than 0? One of 0. How many scored less than 10?
2.
2. How many scored less than 20?
5.
How many scored less than 30?
9.
How many scored less than 40?
17.
How many scored less than 50? How many scored less than 50?
24.
How many scored less than 60? All.
30.
All. You write 30, which is equal to capital N. You have to write this. This is the proper procedure, algebraically correct. Okay. Over here, you have to write equals to N. Okay. What is capital N? Capital N is total frequency. Okay. So now you can apply formula. So first thing that you have to do, you have to find out this less than type frequency distribution. Okay. Now unless until this is found, you will not be getting any mark because your answer is incorrect. Your method is incorrect. Your answer might be correct, but your method is incorrect. So it is a wrong numerical. Okay. So now if this is understood, all of you. Now we move on to the actual formula. There is a formula for median. You all know this part. I think you all have done before that. Median is denoted by m, which is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency f into 10. F into I. This is the formula. Write it down. Median is equal to lower boundary of the median class. L1 is lower boundary of the median class. Then n by 2, total frequency by 2, minus cumulative frequency of the preceding class. You all have to write it on your notebook. CF is cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Here it is F. This F is frequency of the median class. And this is width of the class. I is width of the class. Sometimes we denote it as H also. In some textbook, you will be finding it as H. So either H or I, you use anyone, but this is the formula. Now how? Yes. Who's asking?
Sir, L is the lower limit of the median class.
Yes, lower limit of the median class.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now how to find out median class? Now this procedure also very new to you. Please listen carefully. Now median is the middlemost value. By definition, median is middlemost value. Okay. So middlemost value of 30. 30 students. So 15 is n by 2. So where does 15 lies? 15 lies here. You have to identify this. N by in between 9 and 17, 15 lies. So n by 2 is lying here, and hence your median class. How to? It is between these two cumulative frequency. That means your median class is this. Okay. These are the procedure you all should follow. You okay? In circle it. Then I am writing it. Now that class, you tell me the frequencies what we have taken. Please tell me the frequency that we have taken.
Sir, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 6.
Okay. Now you have to encircle this one. I wrapped it because of that lack of space, but in your exercise book it is there. So you just circle that entire class with frequency. Now you put the value. I am guiding you how to put the value. L1 is the lower boundary of the median class. So if it is median class 30, L1 is 30. N by 2, we all know it is 15, 1, 5. Now cumulative frequency of the preceding class. That means from here you have to find out. When it is cumulative frequency from this column you have to
Sir,
find
it
out.
will be 5.
It will be
5.
9. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 9. This one 9, not 5, 9. Okay, and then frequency of the median class 8. Frequency of the median class is 8, and width of the class is 10. Width of the class is 10. Okay, now you solve and let me know the answer. You people are many are joining late. So throughout the class, will I allow this participant to enter or I teach?
Sir, many are there. They are telling to allow them.
I allowed everyone. See, there are many security measures, but why to take security measures over here? I am dealing with my student, so it is between teacher and student. Why the security part will come over here. See, I have full faith on my students. So this thing, generally I don't do this. That is why I did not lock the meeting. I am allowing everyone. But you also have to understand and cooperate. And you should be matured enough. This is a matured thing that is going on. So matured people should be present. Okay, find out. Tell me the answer.
What is the median?
37.5.
37.5.
37.5 is the median. Okay. So 37.5 is the median. So now you all understood how to find out median?
Sir,
Median.
can you explain that? Sir, can you explain that cumulative frequency one, the one where we use 9 instead of 5? That part.
Okay. Okay. Now see, the median is n by 2th value, na? N by 2th value. N by 2th value is 15. So 15 lies between 9 and 17. 15 lies between 9 and 17. Hence 9 is the preceding frequency, preceding cumulative frequency. It's very simple from here. Now, it is placed in between 9 and 17. The cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 9 and cumulative frequency of the following class is 17. Yes, Adisri?
Sir, can you explain once again? Sir, can you explain once again?
See, actually, n by 2 is 15. 15 lies between 9 and 17. So, if it is lying here, preceding one is 9 and following one is 17.
Yes, sir.
There is nothing to understand. It is only observation. It is observed. See, it is lying between 9 and 17. So 9 is the preceding one and 17 is the following one. That's it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so let us solve this numerical now. Now you all tell me what is the total frequency. What is the total frequency? 16, 24, 40, 76, 96, 96, 112, 125, I think. 1 to 5?
Yes, sir.
1 to 5. Okay, 1 to 5. Now I am writing that this one also, that your less than type cumulative frequency. Less than type you all also write less than 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. Now you always remember, if there are 8 classes, so there will be 9 entries. Under less than type, there will be 9 entries. That means n plus 1. If there are n classes, so there will be n plus 1 entries for under less than type. So that always keep in your mind. I repeat, if there are n number of classes, so entries will be n plus 1. Okay. So now how many code less than this one? First you write this one. There are 9 entries as there are 8 classes. Now we keep on writing the cumulative frequency. You all will tell me. Cumulative frequency, how many score less than 0? Asna, how many score less than 0?
Sir, 0.
Then less than 10?
4.
Less than 20?
16.
Less than 30?
40.
Less than 40?
76.
Less than 50?
96.
Less than 60?
112.
And all less than 80 is 125.
Less than 70 you forgot. So less than 70 is 120.
Ah,
And less than
120.
80 is 120.
I have written all beforehand. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, so that is n. Now let us find out n by 2. N by 2 is how much? 62.5. Okay, so 62.5 lies here. Here you write n by 2 equals to 62.5. N by 2 equals to 62.5. So 62.5 lies between 40 and 76. 62.5 lies between 40 and 76. Okay. So they lie between the class 30 and 40. So this over here you also mark that this is your median class with frequency 36. Okay. So now this portion is a must. And say it is a 4 marks numerical, 2 marks will be allotted for this whole thing. This has to be followed line by line. This method has to be followed line by line. So this exercise will give you 2 marks. Other two, for writing formula you have something, for calculation final mark. So we have marks distribution like that. But for doing this you have 2. So let me write the formula. Formula is M equals to L1 plus N by 2 minus cumulative frequency by frequency into I, or I am writing H. L1 is how much? 30 plus N by 2 is 62.5. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class. Adisri, what will be the cumulative frequency of the preceding class?
So the 40.
40. Good. Now confusion is your solved?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It will be 40. Frequency of the median class is 36 and width of the class is 10. So now you all solve. This is okay. Now you solve. On your own you solve. Use your notebook, solve and get me the answer. To 5 by 36. See, this is the answer. But one student said that 41 point something. Who has said? Please raise your
Yes, sir.
hand.
Sorry, sir. It's
Acha,
32.25.
acha. Why it cannot be the right answer? Because it is falling in different class.
So it used to lie between 30 to 40.
So it has to lie between 30 to 40. You are right now. So all of you, for your kind information, median found by you should be in between 30 to 40, in between the median class, inside the median class. That is another way to check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Okay. If your median class is 30 to 40, median cannot be more than 40 or less than 30. If it is there, then you must have done something wrong. Either over your calculation or over there that median class you have found wrongly. You must have done something wrong. That you have to check and recheck.